It's not really a lot, only 83 XP. Let's see. No. Where's this bow? I know it's by the bed. There it is. So I've got the bow now. Now we just have to go all the way back around. Oh, I really am tired. I think I'll have my dinner and go to bed. And I'll definitely be ready for work tomorrow. Work. Fun work. You know, before I actually started work, like, I was really looking forward to get a job, you know, like finally having some money available and all that. Now that I actually have a job, it's a case of, I can't be lost. You know, like, a work just takes all the energy out of you. A work? Oh, don't get crazy. A job just takes all the energy out of you, especially because I work in a warehouse, so it's not some boring desk job that you sit on your arse all day. It's a very active, boring warehouse job. So, I mean, the only time I can pretty much have a break is when I'm spraying controllers. But unfortunately, the orders on them have been a little dry lately, and we've got quite a few in like back stock, so can't really do anything other than help pack orders at the moment. So I'm on my feet all day, just constantly walking around the warehouse. And to be honest, it tires you out quite quickly, and it gets so damn boring. Oh, so very boring. Ring the bell. The bell in your hand and the doorbell are ringing. Okie dokie. The bell in your hand shattered. Okay. That's a very bad bell, to be honest. Skip all this. Yeah, I know all about. Come on. It's all boring. Very, very boring. Come on. Oh, come on. Someone's coming. Who are you? Hello, Dan. Dan and his messies. Yeah, well, with a black mage, don't worry, we're not gonna kill you. I mean, it's true Vivi knows fire, but still. What do you mean, what am I waiting for? Where's the king? I don't know, I don't see him in the palace. Well, I'm going, I've got my own family to worry about. Yeah, that's right, screw the king. Alright, let's go to the palace. Okay then. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say straight through. Yeah, straight through. Come on, dear, we have to go now. I can't move anymore. Way in K. Oh, Cal. Yeah, come on, skip. It's all boring. Yeah, don't worry. I'll save your husband. Get you to Limblum, and you can have your child in peace. For now, at least. Great, Cal. Yeah, we still have some. Can you give me a hand? Sure, buddy. I got you, buddy, old pal. Thanks again, pal. Maybe I'll see you again in Limblum. By then, my kids will be born. You'll definitely have to come and see them. Yeah, sure, why not? You know, I suppose I can spare 5 minutes to pop round and see the old kids. That grow up so incredibly fast. Yeah, I'll open them, they're on my way. I don't feel one of these is going to be a mimic. This is the mimic, innit? Oh no. Yay, I lucked out. Right. I think this is the last area now. Yeah. Right, let's see. And one of these there's a shop, and the other there's a mithril spear. Oh, awesome! I got the spear one first. Yeah. Come on, I can grab it. Stealing something off a statue. Yes, that's a spear. Come on, Vivi. There's no piles of wood for you. And Kwana, that's in the kitchen. There's no forks for you. And Zidane? I don't know, there might be a knife lying around. Right, let's equip these guys off. Oh yeah, I didn't change Vivi's weapon, did I? Dragon Killer. I'm only one bar off learning that, so I suppose I can hold on for now, I think. Right. Yeah. Now we get another weapon for Vivi. Open you up. Lightning staff. Hello, Stillskin. My God, so slow. Yeah, I'll buy it. Don't you worry, buddy. Don't you worry, I'll buy it all. Magnet. Give out the letter. I heard that Stillskin is heading in your direction, Capo. I've never met him. Tell me what he's like when you meet him. Check and see if he travels with a map of the entire world and with rare items. Okie dokie. Oh, another Cooper knot. Yeah, sure. I'll deliver your letter. Right, shop. What's he got? What'd he got? Well, I do need a new needle fork, unfortunately, because Kwana is weak. To buy 3 of them. I'll buy 3 of them. I'll buy 1 of them. I'll buy 3 of them. I'll buy 3 of them. I'll buy 3 of them. I'll buy 1 of them. I'll buy 1 of them. Yeah, I don't need anything else. Yeah, that's one thing I tend to do. I waste a lot of money on gear that I don't actually need. Right. No, there's nothing Zidane can equip. What about Vivi? No. Oh, that's that. He's not learning anything from that, so sure, why not? That's all magazine. That's got slow, that's got stop drain and bile. Fedora and poison. No, we'll learn them first, I think. We can learn the others later on. Oh, that's got Dragon Killer as well, so I can take that off now. Well, I don't need to one member will equip them because it's a bigger start. Same with that. Well, learn Beast Killer. I'm still learning stuff on the Magician Robe, nothing for the Elf Scarf. Give you a glass armlet for best stats, and yeah, I'll give you a Magus and a needle fork. Yeah, well, Vivi's got a lot of slots. Okay, nothing to use them on. That's why it seems. In fact, oh crap! I was going to say I'll save. In fact, you know what? I think this is where we're going to leave off. Right. But yeah, I think we'll leave off now. You know, we've done another hour session. My throat is pretty much gone, considering I've done like 3 hours today, maybe more than that. But yeah, I think I'll have to carry on again next Saturday. I hope you guys enjoy watching Final Fantasy IX. Okay, so that time again, is it? Now, unfortunately, since the last little session I had on FF9, I'm afraid I can't really remember what I did and didn't do. So just give me a minute to kind of get my bearings here. Okay, so no mail to deliver. Right, looks like I bought and equipped everything. Seems so anyway. Yeah, it seems like I've already bought everything now. So city. Okay, I bought his items as well. Okay. So yeah, I think we're ready to go. I think. I know I got the spear. Did I equip the spear though? Yeah, I did. Okay, so I'm gonna get Bio first, since Bio's a much better and more powerful spell for Vivi at the moment.